FMC stock analysis and FMC stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I am the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos, so I have seen what's making me money and what's not. Look, I've documented everything. It's taken me 5 years, so it's not like a small deed. And ultimately, if I look at it from a higher time frame, it's just kind of consolidating, really. Zooming out, well, this is tough. It's my supply zone. These are my lows, and for me, yeah, it can pump and whatnot, but since it's like in favor on the bearish side, and why is that? Because, you know, we're on hard time from bearish market. If I see a double break, then I'm willing to definitely sell. If not, randomly selling, it's not going to be happening. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and you can see, like, I mean, this is made just this is when this video is made. So see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.